So my friends, it's Thursday, which means tomorrow I am going on my hen, which I'm super excited about. I'm all hot and sweaty because it's so hot outside. Yay, summer. I went to go and exchange some money. I know I have to bring euro, so it's summer in Europe. Bought loads of other stuff, and now I just really need to pack everything. It's 2:30. English game is at 7, football that is, so I don't have that many hours to actually make sure that I pack everything, that I'm ready to go. I would also like to fit in gym and maybe sunbed beforehand so that, you know, I have the base layer for the tan. But yeah, I thought I'd share some details with you about what I'm packing and why I'm packing it. And yes, I hope you like it, so let's go. So I've got this new camera which I'm still trying to figure out all of the settings with. So I can't figure out how to turn off from autofocus because it keeps focusing me in and out, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. Let's go. What am I bringing with me to my hen? Well, first of all, as you know, I have my beautiful engagement ring. There's no way I'm gonna actually bring it with me to Slough or somewhere on holiday. So I have ordered myself a fake bling. Nice and pretty, but my fingers are so thin that the smallest they had is still a bit loose. So that's another thing, another task that I have to do today. Pop to Claire's and maybe get something to tighten it up a little bit, because I can't go my hen do without a ring, and I don't want to take my actual ring with me. So yeah, if you're right to go in hen, get yourself a fake bling. Now another thing, I don't know if you've noticed, on the background, I've got some flat caps. So there is one for bride, and then all of there for the bride squad. And bride! I know they're not the best quality, but I thought it would be a great photo opportunity and all the girls and I can sort of see where we're at. That's better. I was also told by the girls to bring with me a beach towel. So I bought one and I think it's super cool. It's a donut towel. It's super light, which is ideal so that it actually fits quite well in my hand luggage, because it's only hand luggage, it's a little suitcase. I'm really happy about that one. I think it's super cute. And I got it on Amazon for like £8. I've just been really lucky with bargains recently, I'll tell you that. I've also bought, I don't need an excuse to go and buy stuff. I bought a pair of these shoes. I have identical of them in black. I'm sure you might have noticed them on my Instagram. But if I'm wearing so much white, black just doesn't fit in, does it? So I've decided instead to go for these ones. So I'm taking these shoes, flip-flops, and I'm traveling in sort of smart trainers. Hopefully that will suffice. These have a little bit of a heel, but they're so comfy, so I can wear them in the evenings wherever the girls are going to take me out to. And I have never in my entire life owned that much white clothing. So here on the floor at the moment I have stuff that's laid out that needs to be packed. I need to repack it, so let me just show you how much white stuff I've got, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the bikinis and the jumpsuit, the romper, the one you've seen on my previous vlog. This is not fully totally white. I even got myself a plain white lunch bag over the shoulder just to sort of carry around with me. I have so much white stuff, it's crazy. Ooh! And for the road to the airport, I got a mini Prosecco bottle. Which leads me to the fact that we're leaving at 7 AM. So this is going to be my breakfast drink. And I don't have a problem with that because it's going to be my hen. I'm so excited. But I want to pack everything up, make sure that I'm fully ready to go so there's no stress, so I can go watch football tonight and hopefully make some time for the gym. That would be lovely. And wake up super early in the morning, make myself look pretty, and yeah, set off. I just cannot express how excited I am about it. When I was a drunk girl, I went to karaoke when I shouldn't have. Because I have to pack for my hen. But I have a pint or two or or 3 or 4 or 5, but I'm okay to pack. I promise. Tomorrow I'll be happy. I'll find out that Slough is not Slough, and drink a lot of champagne. And I'll put on bikini to show off my abs, to wear my bikini on the beach or by the pool. Oh, Polina's going to hen. Polina's going to hen. Polina's going to hen. I might or might have not went to karaoke last night, or I totally should not have. But we are on our way. With our lovely friend Duncan driving us to the airport. I sound like a man. I'm tired. I was super fucking excited. Woo. Ladies, what's the time? 7. Wrong, it's Prosecco time! So I'm just at the airport and the girls got some clues for me so that I actually find out where I'm going. If after one clue I don't guess it, I have to drink a shot, not straight away, we'll sort it later. How many clues are there? 4. 4 clues. If I don't guess all 4, then I'm a stupid bitch. Look at Alice, fully prepared. Look at Steph being smug. You printed them out as well? Oh yeah. I'll just drink a shot. Okay, this is so useless. Oh god. Barcelona! We have an hour and 10 minutes until we set off for Barcelona. Hi, Miss McKillen. Hello. I'm so excited. Where are we going? Slough.
Ladies and gentlemen.